Hi, families. This is Miss Sightsinger, and I wanted to take a quick minute to talk to you about using your child's pairing code to connect to their Canvas course cards. The first thing you'll want to do is locate Canvas on the Moore Public Schools website. You can scroll down and find Canvas towards the bottom, or you can use the flyout menu in the top right-hand corner, and that will reveal these little buttons. I'm going to click Canvas. This is a page that our EdTech team has put together with everything you need to know about Canvas. It has login information, tutorials, things that are in different languages for our non-English speaking families. But right now we're going to go right here to Parent Guardian Login. And if I have never set up an account before, I'm going to click here for an account. Once I'm at this sign-in spot, I'm going to put my name, my email, my password, and the student pairing code provided by my child's teacher. Now, remember that those pairing codes are only good for 7 days. So if it's been past that many days, the code may not work and you'll have to request a new one, or you can go over to this Everything You Need to Know About Canvas page, and it's going to give you information about generating your own pairing code. But for the sake of this tutorial, we'll assume that you already know your pairing code. You'll click Start Participating. Now, I already have my children's pairing code, so I'm going to show you how to log in. And if you already have an account, but you have a student you're adding, you will log in to your account first and then add the student. And I'm going to show you how to do that now. Okay, I hope I can remember my password. There we go. Now I have logged in to Canvas. This is my Parent Observer account. I'm observing 2 students, and when I look on my desktop, I see my daughter Anna's work, my son Luke's, my daughter Anna's. Their cards are mixed together. That can be a little confusing at first until you kind of figure out who's who and which course card belongs to which student. If you're observing on a smart device like an iPad or a phone, you'll have the option of toggling between the 2 accounts so that you only see one child or the other. Now, we're going to imagine that we are adding another student. So I'm going to go to Account. I'm going to go to Observing because I am a parent observer. So right here you can see I'm observing Anna Sightsinger and I'm observing Luke Sightsinger. If I had another child, this is where I would put their pairing code and I would add student. So it's as easy as that to get your additional children added in so that you can observe them. Before we leave this, I want to go right over here to settings. This is something not all parents have realized, but you can choose how you want to receive information and updates from Canvas. It's convenient and it helps me if I forget to go check the app or to log in and check Canvas. I get these email notifications from my child's teachers every time there's an assignment put in, when a grade is updated. I could also add a text message option. For me, that was not the best option. I like getting them in my email, and then I also check the app. I hope that this was helpful. If you have other questions, please feel free to let any of us here at Kingsgate know. Thanks, and good luck connecting with your kiddos.